Assalamualaikum and greetings to Dr. Salvinda and Dr. Azli. Our group will present about our project, which is the two-seated buggy car design based on the road safety factor related to vehicle dynamics along roads in UKM. Our group member consists of four people, which is Gunalan anak lelaki Mutan, myself Muhammad Fadil Zain bin Muhammad Noor, Kukabalan anak lelaki Najib Mutu, and lastly Abdul Hakim bin Abdul Halim. So for the introduction, roads can play an important role in modern transportation because millions of vehicles will use it daily for multiple purposes. The condition of a road can determine a person and vehicle lives because a road that has safety hazards such as potholes, dark roads, or an even surface terrain will cause the driver and the vehicle to be an accident. So because of this, in our project, we will observe, assess, and analyze the road in UKN as our example road for our project. With this, we can implement the input we get from the observation into our buggy car design, and we will determine the part that we should be focused on in the design. The part that we choose should have the safety feature and the emission reduction factor so that it can enhance the reliability and the vehicle dynamics. The objective of our project will have three. The first one is to design a two-seated buggy car that has both the road safety factor and the green feature. The second is to observe, assess, and analyze the road condition in UKM. And lastly, the third is in, to implement the UKM road condition to the buggy car design, which will enhance the reliability and the vehicle dynamics.
For the methodology part, we start the project by understand the project requirement and read some literature review of the previous buggy project. Secondly, we conduct surveys on the road user in UKM campus, which is students mainly. Third, we observe the road in UKM campus area and state the condition of the road in UKM campus. We found out four main problem, which is hilly area, pothole road, bumpy road, and place road. And then we design a buggy car with the road condition on UKM campus. And then we calculate the reliability and vehicle dynamic of the vehicle. And then we obtain the result and the project is end. Designing a buggy car involves several key components that play specific role in overall functionality and performance of the vehicle. Here are some essential components and their roles in buggy car design. First, we are going to look at the disc brake. So there are four main things that we have to consider in designing. First is emission. So we are going to use low dust and low metallic brakes to reduce particle release during the brake, lowering the environmental impact. Second is road condition in campus. So material for brake pad are chosen to be suitable for hilly terrains, which is semi-metallic or ceramic brake pad because of the superior heat resistance and robustness. Thirdly, we are going to look at public pedestrian. So we incorporate ABS into the brake system. So it helps prevent wheel lock-up during sudden braking and enable the driver to maintain steering control. Fourth, we are going to look at how we prevent fatal accidents. So emergency brake assist, which is called EBA system, that detect emergency braking situation and increase brake pressure automatically to achieve maximum stopping power. The second component that we are going to look at is tire. First, for the emission part, we opt for tire with low rolling resistance to reduce the vehicle overall emission. Second is road condition in campus. So we design the tire that are durable, which can be resistant to pothole, patches, punctures, cuts, and other damages. Thirdly, we are going to look at the public pedestrian. So the tire with optimized tread pattern and rubber compound can help reduce noise level during operation. Fourth, we are going to look at how to prevent fatal accidents. So we use a tread design that effectively disperses water and mud to reduce the risk of hydroplaning and skidding.
We present about isobar component in a buggy car. The first one, the emission. Our team prioritized the design of the isobar to minimize performance impact of the catalytic converter, optimize exhaust gas flow, and achieve a balance between the emission control, vehicle performance, and fuel efficiency. So the second one, road condition in campus. Our team is focused on the design of suspension system tailored to the specific road condition of the UKM buggy campus, ensuring the right comfort, improve traction and stability, and protection against damage. So the third one, the public pedestrian, suitable safety measure such as the speed limit, speed sign, road marking, and road safety initiative aim to promote responsible driving behavior, reduce risk, and improve overall road safety for the drivers and pedestrians. So the last one, they prevent fatal accident. Component absorber such as the shock absorber offer advantage such as improve ride comfort, ascend the stability and the component and control, and reduce wear on the vehicle parts. However, the consideration of for their finite lifespan, potential component failure, and the importance of regular maintenance and inspection are crucial for the ensure safety and optimal performance. As you can see from the slide, is a frame of our buggy car that our team designed. The first one that I mentioned, the frame of the buggy truck design for the off-road use at the UKM buggy is crucial for the providing structure, integrating and stability and safety. It should be durable, constructed from a strong material, and incorporate reinforcement to enhance the rigidity and handling. Design considerations such as suspension mounting point and ground clearance and weight distribution are important. While the frame itself does not directly affect the emission, its design can indirectly influence the fuel efficiency and emission by reducing weight, optimizing aerodynamic, and accommodating emission control system. So the second one, the road conditioning in campus. The frame of the buggy truck design of the road off-road use at the UKM buggy play a crucial role in ensuring durability, strength, and proper ground clearance, accommodating a robust suspension system, minimizing chassis flex, and optimizing maneuverability. This characteristic enable the vehicle to navigate campus road comfortably, comfort, safely, and with the enhanced performance. For the third point is public pedestrian. The frame, when the combined with a crash testing safety standard compliance, prototype testing, and expert review, it directly contribute to the overall road safety for both motorists and pedestrian. Our team specialized to create the frame for the buggy cars and emphasize safety precaution for all road users. For the last one, they prevent fatal accidents. Design of the frame buggy of the UK road in UK buggy require meet a specific criteria for optimal performance. Our team specialized in the frame prioritize the factors as a crucial integrator and crash worthiness, rollover protection, weight distribution, and accommodation for a suitable suspension system. This consideration enhance the safety, stability, and handling, ensure a reliable and comfortable ride for all occupants.
Next, I would like to explain about discussion. Buggies are a simple two-seater, commonly with rigid steel frames and powerful engine. It can stand a high shock caused from road and crashes. Conceptual buggies are made as a competition of technology. The buggies are transportable and efficient in terms of space, performance, and emissions. The buggy is highly recommended in transport system in smaller areas such as university campuses. Due to the lighter weight and with four-wheels drive, it merges between a commutable experience of a car and a motorcycle in certain way. The two-seater buggy we designed, based on several aspects, have a safety level of a car with wider chassis and four wheels to drive while maintaining the emissions cost efficient and commutability space as a motorcycle. Conceptual buggy offers the latest technology of off-road vehicle which is unreachable with common 4x4 truck in terms of stability, performance and durability. The brakes, tires and absorbers are designed according to the road condition of UKM to maintain the safety standards for students. The road condition of UKM is madly bad. The buggy solves the problem faced by drivers inside the campus. The buggy is also fulfilled as a semi-off-road vehicle based on our design, which can ensure a high reliability of parts. Off-road vehicles have a high capacity for harsh road conditions, where parts are designed to withstand that. From this design, the reliability of the parts and system is high compared to normal vehicles in UKM road. Finally, the conclusion. From this project, we are able to design a two-seater buggy car that is both the road safety factors and the green features. The specifications are mainly based on the road conditions where we observe, assess, analyze the road conditions in UKM. From this, we implemented the UKM road conditions to the buggy car design. A complete two-seater buggy created to withstand the road condition, which is highly reliable and environmental friendly.